Hello everyone. You know that feeling when you're exhausted and all you can think is, oh, I could use a nap.
Yeah, I could use a nap. Do you mind if I crash here?
Or when it's 40 degrees outside and you're like, oh, I could use an ice cold drink right now.
Man, I could use a cold beer.
That's exactly what we're learning today. Your phrase of the day is, I could use something. So, I could use means that you want or need something. It's a polite and natural way to express that you'd really like something right now. For example, I've been working all day, I could use a break.
I could use a break.
Or I'm so sleepy, I could use a coffee.
I could use some coffee.
We say, I could use something when we talk about something that would help us feel better or improve the situation. But wait, isn't this just I need? Well, not exactly. I need sounds more urgent. I could use is softer and more natural in conversations. Let's compare. I need a coffee sounds demanding. I could use a coffee sounds relaxed and natural. So remember, I could use is a polite way to say you want or need something. Now go ahead and use it in real life.
I could use a little compassion.
If this was helpful, like, share and follow for more English tips. See you in the next video.